Okay, so rather than have you do the reading on the Great Awakening and the 7 Years' War, instead what I would like you to do is in this YouTube channel you're going to see a John Green crash course video called The Great Awakening and the 7 Years' War. So what I would like you to do is watch that video. Then come back to this one and I'm going to have you ask yourself these questions, see how many of them you can get right. So, question number 1. How long did the 7 Years' War really last? Your answer should be 9 years. What was the purpose of the war? Hopefully you said to gain control of trading posts. According to mercantilism, why would the government want to regulate the economy? To increase its power. Mercantilism is wealth equals power. What must increase for mercantilism to work? Hopefully you said trade or production. The governor of Virginia gave a grant of land to what company? The correct answer is the Ohio Company. What treaty ended the war? The Treaty of Paris. Now there's more treaties of Paris in history, but this is the first one in American history. What does John Green say, or who does John Green say are the real losers of the war? Whoop. Now, that should say Native Americans. Tribes were really torn apart and caught in the crosshairs of the conflict between the English and the French. What settlement was disrupted by Pontiac's rebellion? It's a tricky one. See how closely you were listening. Detroit. The Proclamation Line of 1763 gave land west of the Appalachian Mountains to which group? The French. The French were told you can have land anywhere that the British don't want to be and anywhere the British aren't making money. According to classic liberalism, what is government supposed to protect? Natural rights, life, liberty, and property. And here's all your answers, here's all your questions. In case you want to listen to the video again, these are some things you should be listening out for. If you had trouble with any of these are some additional questions that you can go and look for the answers to that might help you understand the video a little bit better. And that's it for Unit 1. Make sure you get those note cards done.